Diamonds, this is your girl BOXYCHARM right back at you with yet another video. Today we are going to go over my August 2018 BOXYCHARM. I've been watching BOXYCHARM for the last couple of months and I decided to join the family and jump on that bandwagon. I know everyone, every YouTuber, their mom, their cousin, their auntie, their uncle has already done theirs. I still want to bring this to you guys. If you don't know what BOXYCHARM is, it's basically a paid makeup subscription. I'll read a little bit from their website. I'm just checking this off my phone. In each box, you will receive 4 to 5 full-size beauty items ranging from makeup to skincare, beauty tools, and color cosmetics. Each box has a minimum value of $100. And it is definitely worth it. 21 bucks, but you get at least $100 worth of the products. You can't beat that with a stick, right? So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so this is the box that it came in. Let's go through this bad boy. It looks like the theme is Life of the Party. So let's see what we have in here. This also has kind of the deets of every product. Like the price and a little snippet of it. So we'll go through that. First, I have the House of Lashes. My camera's not focusing. There we go. The House of Lashes, and I have that in Bordeaux. And it looks like the retail value of this is anywhere from $9 to $12. I have had a pair of House of Lashes before. I actually enjoyed those lashes, so I can't wait to try these out. I'll let you know on a further video. We also have Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick. And it looks like I got the color Stay Tan. I'm going to take that out and swatch it for you guys. I'm curious. It looks like this has a retail price of $21 to $24. That's a neat color. I like that. I'll get some use out of that. Alright, and it looks like it has 8-hour power pout. Down with that. And then we have 3 pair of the Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. I am going to enjoy trying these out. I've always wanted these. It looks like the suggested retail price is $13 for these. Can't wait to try that out. And then I have the, I'm going to tear this name up, Adesi Organic Infused Orange Define Age Define Nail Treatment. Here's the box. Let's open her up, see what she looks like. I haven't used a cuticle oil in quite some time, but I've always liked them, especially for my toes. So I'll get some use out of that. Next, we have the Bang Beauty Gel Eyeliner. And I think I've seen this before. I have it in the color Chocolate. Now this is also supposed to be able to dupe for your eyebrows. Well, looking at your girl, it's definitely not going to work for my eyebrows. But let's see what color it comes off as. Yeah, I could probably get away with using it as like an eyeshadow base, but nothing more. But excited to try that out. Now I did get a palette with this, and it's the Party Animal. Everyone's seen it. I'm not going to talk about it because of, you know, recent events with her. So yeah, just know I got it. I won't be using it. That's it. So I really enjoyed my first box. There were some things that I'm definitely going to use. I'm going to use everything except one thing. So I'm excited. I'm glad to be a part of the BOXYCHARM family. All right, diamonds, that's all I have for you today. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Also, go ahead and subscribe on your way out and click that notification bell so that you will be notified as soon as I drop another video. And as always, diamonds, until next time.